Mama's gonna see your boots.
You got it. You can do it.
Good job! Yay, Catherine! Look at you, you're a big girl, you're wearing Mama's shoes.
Can you say yay?
Can you walk to Dada? Whoa!
They're hard to walk in, huh? Because they're so big. Mama.
Just stay down. Oh no!
I'm glad you think that's funny too, sweetie.
Where's Catherine? Oh, there she is.
Is it stuck? If you sit on your bottom, you can probably get it off. There you go.
Can you show Mama the boot?
Can you show Mama?